How to upload high quality videos to WhatsApp status. What is up everybody? In this video I'll show you guys how you can easily upload high quality videos to your WhatsApp status. First thing you're going to have to do is open up your WhatsApp application and make sure that you are logged in. The next step is to tap on the three lines at the top right, and then you'll find the settings menu. Tap on it. Once landed on the settings page, scroll down a bit until you find storage and data. Tap on there, and then from here you'll see something called media upload quality. Tap on that and make sure that this is set to HD quality. So there is a downside to it, which is your files might be sent slower, or it can be up to 6 times larger. Then once you tap on save, you can just go back and try to upload a WhatsApp status. To do that, head over to the updates tab down below. And then from here, tap on the plus icon to upload a status. Now from here, you can select any photo or video that you want. And once that is done, if you want, you could add music, add text and different stickers. Then simply tap on the send option. You could also change your privacy. So if you want to share it with only specific people, you can add them. Tap on done and then tap on send. And now your WhatsApp status will be uploaded to the highest quality. That is it for this video. If you found it helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.